Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new concept art space scene with using Octane render. Guys, this tutorial is special for beginners. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a simple cube, this one, and change cube size. Guys, size I take x1 take 50 centimeter and y-axis use 50 centimeter. Yeah. So I go to here, display, select God shading lines. Guys, I take one more cube and copy. Guys, go to here, breadth size decrease and height little bit increase like 60. See guys, that's my size. And now last one guys, again copy this cube and increase more like 100, actually more like 120 and like 70, yeah, and double like 400, yeah, right. See guys, that's my shape. Okay, so after that guys, I take cloner and select all three cubes and make child with cloner. Yes, so guys, select this cloner and mode I use grid array, yeah, and guys increase count like 4, 5 and like 6, yeah. And guys, I change this position size little bit closer, yeah. Guys, I create randomly, yes. And now guys, I also take random effector tool, this one, yeah. So guys, select this parameter and change position like this, and y-axis good, and x1 increase, yes. See guys, right. Okay, so guys, you can change also position, yeah, it's good. See guys, that's my randomly shape, yeah. I like this one. And guys, you can change also seed, that's my randomly seed and more, yeah. I like this one. See guys, that's my position, right. Okay, so parameter, guys, I like this one, position, yeah, yeah. Okay, see guys, that's my position and camera angle. And now guys, I take Octane material, yes, and guys double click on this material. And guys, now I change material type, I use glossy, yeah, and click on here, note editor. Guys, I apply JS placement texture, so go on here and see guys, that's my texture, drag and drop in note editor, yes, and use displacement map and connect with input, connect, yeah, and this input connect with displacement map, yeah. So select this input and guys, level of detail I take full and mid level I take 0.7 and amount like 25, yeah. And now guys, click on this material and color I take gray color, gray, and guys little bit change roughness, so roughness float 0.5, yeah. See guys, that's my color, so close and apply on cloner, yes, right. Okay, so guys, now most important part is save your project, yeah. So go to Octane and use live viewer window, select drag and drop on left side and increase size like this and click on here, yeah. But guys, see, that's not correct UV, so select this material and length U, actually also projection cubic, and length U I take 500 and length V 500, yes, much better. See guys, so closer, yes. Okay, so guys, little bit change this displacement setting, mid level like 0.5, actually 6. I like 6. Yeah, 6 is good. So go to back, and now guys I change layout size like 1000 and height same 1000. Yeah, okay, so yeah guys, that's my position and composition real good. So guys, next step, I take cylinder and change cylinder radius. So now I take camera. Yeah, so guys, select this cylinder. Yes, and position is good. And now guys, radius I take 0.2 and increase height like 2000 is good. So I also take cloner, select this cylinder and make child with cloner. So I select this cloner and position change like this. Select this one and go on here. Yes. See guys, that's my lighting shape, right? Okay, so little bit down. Yeah. And now guys, yeah, this one is good. Yes. Okay, so guys, now select this cloner and again copy and little bit up like this and again copy. Yeah, right. So select all cloners and group Alt G. Yes, double click on this null object and rename like orange light. Yes, and again copy, go to up. Yes, and guys, only change position randomly like this. Yes, and second one little bit down, and third one. Yes, right. See guys, that's my final composition. Okay, so guys, composition is really good. Now I create material for lighting and octane material and double click. Guys, I go to emission and black body emission check and surface brightness double sided and take RGB spectrum. Yeah, and this RGB spectrum color I take orange. Yeah, that's my color. So apply this one cloner. So select all cloners and right click and apply. Yeah, and now guys, copy this cloner and only change color. Color I take blue. Yes, right. So close and select upper one blue, orange. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. And yeah, camera angle is good. Okay, so now guys, I go to object and use octane daylight. Yes, see guys, that's really awesome. And yeah, so go to camera angle set. I like this one, camera angle. Yes, really good, right? Camera angle is really good. So select this camera angle and post processing check and bloom power I take like 15. Yeah, see, that's awesome. Okay, so guys, go to camera imager and exposure 0.9 and gamma 0.95 and natural response check. See, right? And saturation to white I take 0.1. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, my all settings really good. And now actually guys, I also changed this one, setting displacement map like this one, like 20. Yes, much better. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I go to here and change setting, use path tracing and max amp I take like 5000 and diffuse depth I take 10 and specular I take 10. Yes, right? See, that's my final composition. I show you my final render. See guys, that's my beautiful final render. It's really good. And that's my work, project work. So guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.